Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a full 2025 guide on how to delete a website from Hostinger. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, freeing up space, or just no longer need a site, this tutorial will show you the exact steps to permanently remove a website from your Hostinger account. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss any key details. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser, head over to hostinger.com and click the login button in the top right corner. Enter your email and password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step too. Once you're logged into the H panel, take a look at the sidebar on the left. From there, click on Websites. This will display a list of all the websites currently hosted under your account. Now comes the important part. Scroll through your list and then we'll identify the website you want to delete. To the right of that site's name, you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select Delete. Hostinger will then prompt you with a confirmation message. This step is crucial because once you delete a website, all of its files and databases will be permanently removed. There's no undo button here, so double check that you're deleting the correct site. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And that's it. Your unwanted website has now been removed from Hostinger. I hope this guide made things super clear and easy for you. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions about Hostinger or website management in general. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.